Meh. Oh wait, it doesn't zip that way. It's actually really hot. I have the windows open, well the doors. The doors. You might hear some cars. There's actually no birds. I was going to say you might hear birds, but yeah, no birds. Nothing. I broke out on the plane. I got like that dermatitis rash I always get. Really sexy. Really fun. Very bright. Is it just the daylight? I don't know. This is Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 replenishing spray. Oh fuck. I'm so dry from the plane. I'm like a dried up prune. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Hangover primer as well. They gave me these little travel sized ones for the trip. And these are really nice and hydrating. Loved it for like the longest time. A little bit of toucher to smooth. I don't have a mirror, so I just have to look into the viewfinder. Hopefully my makeup doesn't come out terrible. Oh, my skin. This looks so bad. I feel like this primer has actually really soothed my skin just then. And like, yeah. Wow. Beauty Blender foundation. I haven't used this yet. I really don't like the packaging though. It's everywhere. I know. Looks crazy. But I need to match. I need to match the rest of my body and like my back. And then I might mix in a little bit of my NARS, just so I'm not too dark. I'll leave all my products listed down below for you guys too. Because this isn't a very product mentioning video. I just honestly needed to get ready. And I have some pictures and stuff that I want to take for Instagram, so I just thought I would film a little hotel get ready with me. Shit. Okay, that's actually super nice. I have been tanning in the sun and then I've put fake tan over top of it. So my chest, like you can see where my tan lines are. I feel like you can't even see in this light, but see how like my face, that foundation doesn't even match my back at the moment. So it's so annoying right now because I'm either like the annoying orange from the front or I'm Flashback Mary from the back. I guess I'm going to be the annoying orange today and I'm just going to have to blend my foundation down. Am I the one colour? I can't tell in natural lighting. Oh, that looks so orange. I can't see. Oh, it looks so orange. It looks so orange. I look really orange on camera, but in real life I actually match really well. Too Faced Born This Way under my eyes. Too Faced Born This Way under my eyes, and then Tarte Shape Tape just to spot conceal. Oh my god. These cars. I'm gonna leave that to sit there because I like it to dry a little bit. And then I found a little mirror in the bathroom. Oh, that's a bit light. Maybe the other one's in my carry-on actually. It's a little bit light. There's foundation right there. What the hell? Wow, my skin is bad today. I'm bringing it down the side of my nose. So I got a big nose. That light just looks so much better. Oh, my makeup looks like dog shit. A little bit of lip scrub. This one's from MAC. I always like to use a lip scrub and then take a towel and just scrub over like the really crusty bits of lip. I just feel like this is the way to like get all of the dead skin off. I have not been using lip balm lately, which is really bad. I'm using my robe because it's made out of towel. I feel like my robe is very white in here. I don't know how to make it not white without you not being able to see my face. This is my favorite lip balm. It's a lip sleeping mask from Laneige. I think that's how you say it. So good. I healed my lips. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I have none. I've got none. Nada. So much better. I've got eyebrows now. I just used Benefit's Precisely My Brow. I think I didn't tell you guys. And now I'm just gonna use Gimme Brow. This is pretty much like the stuff I use for doing my makeup all the time. There's only a couple things here and there that are different. Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand. Oh my god, you guys know I love this stuff. Do a little bit on my forehead because it's not like it's big enough already. Where's my sponge? What the shit, man? Alright, before I set, I'm gonna Fix Plus my face. Is this the right one? I have one at home that has water in it, and I hope I didn't bring that. No, I think that's Fix Plus. Because I'm so dry. Going to use my Too Faced Born This Way powder. I haven't used this in a little while. So, oh shit, it's everywhere. Oh my god, imagine if like we just saw like a leg or something in the background, like a monster or an intruder. I have such a big fear about that. I thought, I opened the closet earlier. I was just looking at what's in there. Like I left the door open the tiniest little bit, and then when I walked back past, the light was still on in there, and I was like, oh my god, is someone in there? And I thought I could see someone looking out, and I was like, oh my god, there's no one in there. And I just closed it so I would not think about it anymore. But I was freaking out a little bit. This is actually such a nice powder. My face looks like 1,000 times better now that I've powdered it. I can never set in here. This is Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. Oh, it smells so good. Tastes like chocolate too. I like to contour like down here because I kind of have like chubby cheeks just here. Like, I'm trying to give myself a snatched face. Probably contour the jaw. Now I'm just going to warm up my skin a little bit with my Gimme Sun from MAC. Just going kind of above the contour. My neck and my chest a little bit. Just So that's looking pretty good, my makeup. I'm actually getting a little bit happier with it now. It was looking pretty sad for a little bit there. Warm Soul Blush from MAC. This is like one of my favorite blushes of all time. Kind of like focus it on the cheeks and then I drag it outwards. I actually brought two blushes with me. I brought the L'Oreal Life's a Peach blush as well. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of this. Oh my god, we're on the home stretch now. Oh wait, I gotta do my eyes. This is the Too Faced Love Light highlighter, Blinded by the Light. This is my one that always falls out of the pan because I've used it so many times. But it's honestly just my favorite thing ever. Look at that, it's so natural but so glowy. It doesn't like make you look really textured either. Zoom you guys in the eyes. My Charlotte Tilbury Stars in Your Eyes palette. It's my favorite. I use this shade right here. And I'm going to go in with this shade here. And then whatever's left on this brush, I'm just going to take under my eyes. And then I'm going to do just a tiny little cut crease. Like a rough cut crease, but not like super cut. And then to soften it up and set the lid, I'm going in with this shade. So just a light brow bone kind of shade. Setting over the concealer and then just taking whatever's left over and blending in my crease, and it just really softens it up. And then I just use whatever's left over on those brushes. And I just kind of blend and fix up any mistakes. So I wasn't going to put anything on my lids, but I think I might put this Tarte Chrome Paint in the shade Frosé on my lids. I've asked on Instagram if I should do a wing. 61% for a wing. I'm just going to do a little, just a little bit. Like, I don't mind it being thick out here, I just don't like it thick on my inner corners because I just don't find it flattering on my eye shape. Ooh, the sun's coming out. It actually looks like such a beautiful day. Oh, look down. I always have to brush off the tips of my mascara because my bottom lashes are really long. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and it's so good. I used to love the waterproof one for my top lashes. Okie dokie, artichoke. This is the Zoeva lip pencil in the shade. It says Graphic Lips Stumbling Grace, but I don't know what's the name. And then it's got like BB7 written on it. It's just a nude though. I need to drink some water. Always On lipstick from Smashbox. I'm gonna do a little bit like that because I like to blot my lips. So many people cringe when I do this, but I like it. I just love that more faded look. I'm just going to quickly go and grab my favorite lip balm.
that I use like daily, like that Laneige one is like my nighttime one, and then my favorite one I like to use in the day is the NARS Orgasm lip balm. I've got like nothing left. You cannot wind it up anymore. I love putting this over lipsticks though, or under them, and I just use it every day, like it's always in my pack. Anyway guys, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this very chill little hotel get ready with me. I'm just very jet lagged. I'm very sleepy. I just wanted to film a quick little get ready with me, doing my makeup before I take a bunch of photos around this hotel by myself. If you guys would like to see what outfit I'm wearing today and my hair, make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's just kaseyrayton. Same as my YouTube, just the same username. Check out my vlog as well, because obviously I will show you guys what I'm wearing and what I'm up to on this trip in that video. So I will leave both of those linked down below for you guys. But I love you, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.